bridge is this far off that abutment, and this bridge is already sunk 2 feet from where it was.
So is it possible that that end might fall down?
Well, no, it's still this end. The only thing holding it together is actually the steel and the concrete is keeping it stiff. But it could, if it cracked back there a ways, that whole thing could fold right up in the wind. So
there's no temporary bridge going over the top of that head?
Back quite a ways, a third of the way, halfway.